Most people in the UK think passive income means easy money. It doesn't. But it does mean something better. Building income that keeps coming in even when you're not working. The difference is not luck. It's a system. And once you understand that system, everything changes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build passive income in the UK using simple, realistic methods that actually work. No hype, no shortcuts, just a clear path you can follow starting today. 1. The truth about passive income. Passive income is often misunderstood. Many people believe it means earning money without doing anything, but that's not how it works. Every passive income stream requires effort at the beginning. You either invest your time, your money, or both. The real idea is simple. You build something once, and it continues to pay you over time. The problem is, most people quit too early because results are not immediate. In reality, passive income is delayed reward. You work up front so you can reduce effort later. Once you understand this shift, you stop chasing shortcuts and start building systems that actually generate long-term income. 2. Path 1. Skill-based passive income. If you're starting with little money, skills are your fastest entry point. You learn a valuable skill like video editing, writing, design, or coding, and then use it to create assets that can sell repeatedly. For example, you can build templates, digital products, or even online courses. You do the work once, and it continues generating income over time. Many people also start with freelancing. At first, it's active income, but over time, you can turn that work into systems, packages, or automated services. This path gives you control because you're not depending on money to start. You're using your ability to create value first. 3. Path 2. Investment-based passive income. This is where your money starts working for you. In the UK, one of the most powerful tools is a stocks and shares ISA. It allows your investments to grow without paying tax on returns, which makes a huge difference over time. Instead of trying to pick individual stocks, many people invest in index funds that spread money across multiple companies. This reduces risk and provides steady long-term growth. Some investments also pay dividends, giving you regular income. The key here is consistency. You don't need a large amount to begin. Small, as regular investments can grow significantly if you stay committed over time. 4. Path 3. Asset-based income. Asset-based income comes from things that continue to generate money after they are created or acquired. Property is one example, where rental income provides regular cash flow, but it requires significant capital. A more accessible option today is digital assets. Platforms like YouTube, blogs, or niche websites can generate income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. At the beginning, you put in time and effort with little return. But once the content builds up, it continues to bring in views and income over time. These assets work in the background, making them one of the most scalable ways to build passive income. 5. The system most people miss. The biggest mistake people make is relying on only one method and expecting fast results. Real progress comes from combining multiple paths into one system. For example, you can build a skill to increase your income, then invest that extra income into assets and let those assets generate more income over time. This creates a cycle where each part supports the other. Skills increase earning, investments grow wealth, and assets produce ongoing returns. When these elements work together, passive income becomes more stable and predictable. It's not about doing one thing perfectly. It's about building a system where everything works together. 6. Reality check. There are no shortcuts when it comes to passive income. It's not instant, and it's not guaranteed. In the early stages, progress feels slow. Yes, and sometimes it feels like nothing is happening at all. That's where most people give up. But that slow phase is actually where the foundation is being built. Over time, results begin to compound, and growth starts accelerating. The key is staying consistent, even when you don't see immediate results. Passive income rewards patience, not speed. It may not feel exciting in the beginning, but it is reliable for those who stick with it long enough to see it work. 7. Action plan. To get started, keep it simple. Choose one path based on your current situation. If you don't have money, focus on building a skill. If you have some savings, start investing consistently. The key is not to overcomplicate things or try everything at once. Stay consistent every month, even if the amount is small. As your income grows, reinvest the extra instead of increasing your spending. Over time, this creates momentum. Small actions repeated consistently will lead to significant results. You don't need perfect timing or perfect conditions. You just need to start and stay disciplined with the process. 8. The system. The real power of passive income comes from building a system where everything works together. You start by developing a skill or increasing your income. Then you invest that income consistently using tools like ISAs. Over time, those investments begin to grow and generate returns. At the same time, you can build assets like content or digital products that create additional income streams. Instead of relying on one source, you create multiple layers that support each other. This makes your income more stable and scalable. It's not complicated, but it requires patience, consistency, and long-term thinking to make the system work effectively. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about building systems that work for you over time. If you're serious about growing your income, watch the next video on your screen, where I break down exactly where to invest your first money in the UK step by step.